The strawberries gently rolling out of the trays onto a soft, water-cushioned conveyor belt. They float in a shallow stream of water.
The wet, washed strawberries passing through a drying tunnel. Warm, dry air gently evaporates the water droplets. They come out dry and glossy.
The strawberries being aligned into single-file rows, marching towards the packaging robots. They look like red soldiers.
A wide view of thousands of clean, dry, perfect red strawberries gathering on a massive stainless steel table.
Top-down view of the accumulator. The berries create shifting organic patterns as they move.
Strawberries bobbing in a gentle jacuzzi-like water bath to remove any dust. The red berries look vibrant against the blue water.
A gentle air knife, or air blower, blowing off any loose dried leaves or petals floating in the water.
If processing for eating, a machine with vision alignment perfectly slicing off the green top, calyx, if needed.
Strawberries passing over diverging rollers. Small ones fall through the first gap, medium through the second, massive ones stay till the end.
A camera taking a photo of every berry. A screen shows the golden ratio of a strawberry shape. Weirdly shaped ones are rejected.
A deformed strawberry is spotted. A puff of air shoots it off the main line into a side chute. Only perfect cones remain.
UV light scanning the surface. A small bruised spot glows dark. That berry is removed.
A laser sensor measuring the Brix sugar level of the fruit without touching it, ensuring only sweet berries pass.
A multi-jointed white robotic arm unfolds from the cart. It moves with fluid, hydraulic precision towards the target berry.
Extreme close-up of the robot's hand. It is made of soft blue or white silicone fingers, soft robotics designed to hold red strawberry fruit gently without bruising.
Slow motion. The silicone fingers open wide and surround the red strawberry. They close gently, like a flower closing.
A tiny, precise surgical blade or laser cutter extends from the robot arm and snips the green stem.
Some robots use a twist and pull motion. The arm rotates 90 degrees gently to detach the berry. Oddly satisfying movement.
The collection tray on the robot is full of red berries. A sensor beeps. The robot pauses harvesting.
The AGV receiving empty, clean trays and turning around to go back to the farm for more fruit. The harvesting robot docks with a transport carrier, AGV, automated guided vehicle. It slides the full tray onto the carrier.
Wide shot of the factory floor. Dozens of flat, autonomous platforms carrying stacks of strawberry trays zip across the floor.
2 AGVs approaching an intersection. One stops to let the other pass. Smart traffic logic. Close-up of the wheels of the AGV. They have suspension to prevent the strawberries from shaking or bruising during transport. The AGV arriving at the clean room entry. An automatic door opens rapidly. The cart enters the washing zone.